So you might be asking yourself, why am I showing you another 2020 John Cooper Works hardtop? Well, I happen to like this one. Now here's the thing. I have a tendency to pick out a color that I think is ideal for a certain model. I think, personally, that pepper white with a red roof is by far the best color combination you can have on a John Cooper Works hardtop. And as such, I decided to show you this one. So let's get a run around of this beautiful car. So as I stated, this is a 2020 John Cooper Works hardtop, pepper white, red roof, red mirror caps, 17-inch track spoke wheels, those wonderful Union flag taillights, very, very nice. More black details here. I love the styling on this, and I love how it looks in this paint job. I don't know what it is. And typical John Cooper Works detailing here. You got the red finishing rod on the grille and chrome badges, black headlight rings. Just needs a black ring around the grille and it'd be perfect. And no fog lights, of course. Inside, another thing I love about this, now there's two different interiors for the John Cooper Works. They're both Dynamica. One has a gray backside and more Alcantara on it. The other one is this one, which is cloth with some Alcantara here and here. But I like this one over the other one because it's simple, it's the less expensive option, and I happen to like it. So this is one of my favorite seats. They're incredibly comfortable, as I shall now demonstrate. So that's another thing I love about these seats, is they're incredibly comfortable, incredibly supportive. Just all around, great setup. So inside here we have the 8-speed automatic transmission. We have automatic climate control. We have mini connected with all your settings in here. And of course, piano black dash. Now you notice there's no Harman Kardon, but it does have the anthracite headliner, which makes this a very, very, very nice interior. So that's another thing I really like about this car. What else is going on in here? Well, center console, and you can push it out of the way if you want to have room, assuming you have a shifter. Now, this has the 8-speed automatic. I've driven this enough to know that the 8-speed automatic is a fantastic shifter. It's a fantastic gearbox, but me personally, I would still put the manual transmission in this. This also comes with the heated seats, very nice. And engine stop start, not always a good thing. If you don't like it, you can shut it off, but for those of you who want fuel efficiency, you can leave it on. And of course the driving modes, and you can shut off the stability control, you can activate the traction control. I mean, the list goes on. So, has a panorama sunroof. It's well equipped. Now, you might be wondering, how's the back seat room? Well, let's find out. Easier said than done. Hold on. Alright, so it was a little difficult to get into the back of this seat for some reason, but I managed to get back here. And if you bring the seat back, for a driver my height, I got plenty of legroom back here. It's not uncomfortable. 3 cup holders back here, that's new. That's actually not bad, I kind of like that. Not that I need cup holders. Now here's a neat little feature here. This little tab, it's so you can clip the seatbelt right there, so that when you have the seat folded flat, you can swing it back up without having to pull your seatbelt out of the way. So that's nice. Another detail I noticed is these vents in the backs of the John Cooper Works seats. That's a pretty neat system. Hard plastic, of course. But I think you can actually even buy carbon fiber panels that can decorate this to make it look even more high-end and higher quality. But let's hop out of here and get to the front. Now, should you want to subject yourself to the back seat of your car, you're more than welcome to do that, but I'd recommend you subject your friends to the back seat of the car. Or if you don't want to carry people back there, don't use the back seat. Most people who buy these tend to not carry people in the back anyway. So, all in all, very nice. And if you still want to carry cargo, there's still plenty of cargo space here. I mean, fold the seat, and boom, there you go. Plenty of cargo space for whatever you want to carry in it. I like it. Love the JCW spoiler. Now here's something that's nice. You can get the JCW spoiler on the iconic trim Cooper S models. It just makes the car look so much better. But you can also get it on signature trim Cooper S 4-doors with the John Cooper Works appearance package. So the JCW spoiler actually makes the body lines of these cars look phenomenal. And of course, it always makes the 2-doors look phenomenal as well. This is just a very well thought out car, very well put together. I love it. And I really do, I really like it. So we're gonna pop the hood. But first, let's admire those beautiful John Cooper Works brakes. Big red calipers. And under the hood, the same 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 228 horsepower engine, 236 foot-pounds of torque. And if you pop the cover off, you can see the workings of this engine. And as you can see, it's all nice and compact and tidy and cleaned up under there. So you have the ignition coils right here. Everything's really well thought out, really well put together. The B48 engine, being a modular engine, is fantastic, and it's used on most BMW and Mini products, so it's a great engine. I am a big fan of it, actually. I really do like it. It's incredibly reliable as well, so there's not any real complaints with that. Now, if you want to bump up the horsepower in these cars, you could do a upgraded intercooler in the front. You could do a upgraded intake. You can do sorts of tuning. You can do a dine-in tune. You can do an RPM tune. You can effectively do anything you want to make these cars more powerful. In fact, you can even upgrade the exhausts, upgrade the suspensions, you name it. And what you have when you're all said and done here is a fantastic John Cooper Works hardtop. And one that I wouldn't mind owning. In fact, this one is relatively reasonably priced. It's $36,000, which is the low end for a signature trim John Cooper Works hardtop. And that's pretty good with what you get in this car. That's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go take this little guy for a spin, but I hope you enjoyed this little quick overview of this car. I know I've done John Cooper Works hardtops already. I've done another one. There's a blue one up there that I've already filmed numerous times. But I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a like below. Don't forget to comment. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. I upload videos quite frequently, so bound to be something out there you're going to enjoy watching and you'll want to keep coming back for more. So until next time, I just want to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car. So as always, drive the Mini. I'll see you next time. So I forgot to mention to you all that when you have the seats folded down the back, it makes it easier to hear the exhaust in the car. Case in point. I'll see y'all next time.